close my eyes and sink beneath the surface of what I believe. Time stands still in shades of peace as waves of thought wash over me. Then searching high and running low till something made me let it go. Now truth comes rushing through my soul like water finding ways to flow. Deep blue within my mind, I'm leaving fear behind. Deep blue within my mind, a new self I find. Ooh, finding peace inside.静かな水の中で冬より自分と向き合う。心が開いていく。深い青み溶けてる。魂が走ると魂がへつまってく。自由を感じてる。Breaking through the surface now, learning what this life so everything is clear somehow. Deep blue within the night, I'm leaving fear behind. Deep blue within my mind, a new self I find. Ooh, finding peace in the depths of consciousness. I found the strength to acquiesce. Let the current take control. This ancient wisdom fills my soul. Water dancing with the light, teaching me to feel alive. Deep blue within my mind, I'm leaving fear behind. Deep blue within my mind, a new self I find. Inside.
Midnight's calling, and here we are. Two strangers sharing scars. I've been holding back these tides inside, playing it cool, trying to hide. But something in your eyes tonight makes me wanna let it all subside. And baby, as we sit here by the water's edge, I feel these walls beginning to break. The surface tension's breaking down as confessions start to flow. When the night gets deep enough to drown it, deep enough to drown, deep enough to drown all these feelings that I've been holding back, come rushing through the cracks. And I'm finally letting go. Strange how clarity comes at this hour, when the world feels like it's ours. Every truth I've tried to bury deep rises up so naturally. And maybe it's the way you listen without words that makes me brave enough to share my world. The ripples of our conversation echo through All these feelings that I've been holding back come rushing through the cracks, and I'm finally letting go. What if morning comes too soon? What if this all fades away? But right now, in this moment, I'm diving deep into what's real. When the night gets deep enough to drown in, deep enough to drown, deep enough to drown. All these feelings that I've been holding back come rushing through the cracks, and I'm finally letting go.
Midnight again, just me and the glass in this empty room with leftover class. Each table tells me what I need to know.